Welcome to our service introduction video, and congratulations on the purchase of your new vehicle. The Hyman Bros Kia Service Center is located 2 blocks west of the Chesterfield Town Center at 11901 Midlothian Turnpike. You can set up an appointment online at hymanbroskia.com or by giving us a call at 804-378-3000. Upon arriving at our service center, please pull in to the right side of our service lane bay door. You will then be greeted by one of our friendly service advisors who will check you in for your appointment. During the check-in process, the advisor will perform a brief walk-around of your vehicle and apply protective coverings. Your advisor will review and confirm your service request, as well as go over the Kia 360 vehicle inspection that is complimentary with every service. From the service lane, you will be guided into our customer waiting areas, where you can enjoy amenities such as single service gourmet coffee, bottled water, and healthy snacks. Our waiting lounge includes HD television, laptop-ready furniture, and free wireless internet access. At the Hyman Bros Kia Service Center, you have access to our iCar Platinum Certified Hyman Bros Collision Center. We are fully Kia certified and work with all major insurance companies. Our parts counter is easily accessible to the customer area. We offer Kia genuine parts and accessories. Need to get to work? For your convenience, we offer a courtesy van service that departs at 8:15 a.m. every morning. We also offer rental vehicles at competitive prices based on availability. Whether or not you choose to wait with us, while your vehicle is in our care, each of our Kia certified technicians and master technicians will work quickly to complete your service using Kia genuine OEM parts and equipment. Having access to the latest technology and state-of-the-art equipment will help ensure that your repairs are completed right the first time. Once your vehicle's service and documentation are complete, your service advisor will review the completed repairs as well as the results of your Kia 360 multi-point vehicle inspection. Then you will be on your way with confidence that you have received another truly exceptional service experience from Hyman Bros Kia. Thank you again for your business.